Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to explore that how we can change the tune of a post or a response and how we can use it in a prompt. I'm asking Copilot to write a famous story of two wolves within that we feed. So I'm going to enter it. Let's see what it writes. The quiet village nested between the mountains and forest, an old storyteller named Ayan gathered her children round a fire each evening. One night he began with the tale that lingered longer after our flames died down. Inside every person, Ayan said, there are two wolves. They live in your heart and they are always at war. The children leaned in. One wolf is dark, he continued, is a full of anger, ennui, greed, and ignorance and fear. It feels the pain and grows stronger when we lash out, hold grudge, or chasing things that does not matter. The other wolf is light. It carries kindness, humility, courage, love, and hope, and it grows when we forgive, help others, and stay true to ourselves, even when it's hard. Ayan smiled. The small boy named Semi asked, "Which wolf wins?" Ayan smiled gently, "The one you feed." Manner. So I am again paste and write in humorous way. So it make it little funny. Let's see what it generate. So legend, it has inside every person there are two wolves, not literal wolves, but because that would be a medical emergency, but metaphorical one. Emotional wolves and drama wolves. The wolf one, the grump. This guy got issues. He is fueled by rage, jealousy, passive aggressiveness, text, and believe that everyone is talking about him behind his back. That's not, but he insists they are. He watch conspiracy videos and think pineapple on the pizza is a personal attack. Wolf 2, the chill one. This wolf meditates, drinks herbal trees, and say things like "let it go." Even someone steal his parking spot. He's a kind of a wolf who volunteered at the shelters and gave motivational speeches to squirrels. The internal battle. These two wolves are constantly fighting within others. These two wolves are constantly fighting within you, not the claws and teeth, but more likely passive aggressive snark and emotional sabotage. The question is, which wolf wins? The answer, the one you feed. So you can see that with the tune we can change the whole response. See you in another video.